Hello there, this is Victor for Stock Hunters for January 7th, Tuesday. Let's take a look at the daily charts here and see what the stock market's telling us here, what the charts are telling us. Here we're looking at the Dow, ticker symbol DIA. And as you can see here, it is still trading above the 100-day moving average, still sloping up, so we're still in an uptrend technically. So if we're looking here at the CTSH here, you can see we did get a crossing pattern here where they're touching. So this is a good entry point. As you can see, it just crossed over today right here. So what we'd like to do is consider to put a buy order right at today's high, which is, we're looking here, is 165.29. So go ahead and just put it just slightly above that. And if price action exceeds that, then there's a good chance that they might make a next higher high up here. So we'll keep an eye on that. Let's look at the SPY. Here we're looking at the SPY also. First thing I look at is the slope of the 100-day moving average. You can see it continues to go up, so that's still positive. And you can see we had the pullback, and it's still above the 20 moving average here, so that's good. Looking at the CCI, you can see we just got the cross over today. Compared to yesterday, the line we're just about getting ready to intersect. Now they're over. So it increases the odds of the next trend up if it can exceed today's high at 183.79. So just put about 5-10 cents above that, and if price does get to that target, then there's a good chance that it'll make new highs here. Let's look at see what NASDAQ is doing, the QQQs. And again, 100-day moving average sloping up. And we got that pullback. And looking down here at the CCI, we are now making another crossover here. So there's our signal to consider going in right here. Today's high, if we're looking at it, is 87.25. So just slightly about 87.30 would be a good entry point. Go from there. If any of these trigger, your sell stop will be at the low of the last pivot low here, so it'll be here in this case. Now let's look at the Russell's 2000 IWM, and here we could see the 100-day moving average sloping upward, and we did have a pullback. Looking at the CCI, we did dip below negative 100, which starts the setup, and just crossed over today. So this is a good opportunity to put a entry order at slightly above the high of 115.16. Now let's look at I got a couple of stocks here and making the positive signal. So let's look at Micron. See, Micron has been strongly going up above the 100. It had a gradual pull down and dipped under the negative 100, kind of fluttered around, and now it dipped again and crossed over. So we got that crossover signal, and it'd be worthwhile to put an order right slightly above today's high, 21.93. Now let's look at HCI, which is HCI Group Insurance. And we could see here at the CCI, we got that dip below negative 100. Now we got the crossing. So right there would be worth putting an entry order, buy stop, at the high of 51.73. So put it like about 5-10 cents above that, and see if we get triggered, and we could see a target going up maybe to double top or higher. Next one is ADSK, Autodesk. And as you can see, the 100 sloping up, and the CCI has a dip tagged along the negative 100. Now we got that crossover as of today. So following today's action, put a buy stop at 50 and 10 cents, so slightly above that, maybe 50 20 cents or 50 15 would be a good entry point, and see if we get that breakout. If the market does continue to go up, these are very good candidates. Last one I have here is CTSH, Cognizant Technology. You can see it just did the crossover right here and above the 100, and here we go. So the high is 99 and 50 cents. So we'll probably put an order of 99 and 55 cents or 99 and 60 cents. Go from there and see if we get that breakout just like what Nasdaq's been telling us is right here. It's telling us. So pretty much all the indices are giving us a entry signal. So good luck until next time. Bye.